one thing I discovered in my life is that bad journalism hurts all journalists. When you know, that report, even if I am trying to do my job well, but some reporter who is lazy or careless or inhumane in this way, he makes it harder for me to do my job.
ხო, ანუ მე გინდათ კარგად ვაკეთებ ჩემს სამშობლოს, თუ ვიღაცა თქვა ზარმაცი არის, ისე კარგად არ აკეთებს ჟურნალისტურ საქმეს, ის მეც მოგნებსო.
And good journalism helps all journalists.
სამაგიეროდ კარგი ჟურნალისტი ყველა ჟურნალისტს ეხმარებაო.
If you do your job the way we are trying to develop and cover these victims in a more understanding and humane and intelligent way, then the next journalist will have an easier. The people who become angry with journalists, often they are right. But not always. And they also have some obligation to understand what the journalist's job is and what it's not. Every journalist in this room must have had this experience as I have. People see their story. And they get angry at you for not telling their story. Our job is to tell other people's stories too, to tell all sides. So we don't always make people happy. Sometimes it's because we're unprofessional, but sometimes it's because we're professional.